So it's December 31st, the last day of 2025. A year filled with experience, challenges, and new ways to learn certain things and skills. And well, there was a lot of hope because the next day was going to be a bigger challenge amidst other things and that I have to do because of this hackathon. And I want you to join me in this adventure, this video series, to tell you how I did survive this hackathon. And well, let's get started with this massive video series. This is day 0 technically because day 1 starts on January 1st. Last Duolingo streak of 2025. Well, today's the first day of this hackathon, Alameda Hacks. Hackathon is Alameda Hacks, and today at 9 a.m. The possible paths are going to be announced, so we can start working on problematic. And well, this will be very challenging. And before we enter to the possible paths, I will talk about myself. And as of myself, I have a team called the Martians Crew, which is a team we have participated in other hackathons, such as the NASA Space Apps Challenge 2025, and we were also global nominees, so we were pretty excited, and we started participating in other hackathons, such as Alameda Hacks. So this will be a huge experience, and today's day 1, so let's get started. And well, on the Discord of Alameda Hacks, they have announced there's going to be an opening ceremony, which we need to attend right now. So we're going to discuss some topics about Well, there's like a huge problem over here. Okay. There's going to be like an organizer that's going to allow us on the meeting, and we're going to get started. Oh, they have already started, so let me turn the volume up.
What? Okay, Alameda Hacks is open to all high school and college students worldwide around the world to build, learn, and grow through this hackathon. We're incredibly grateful for their commitment to empowering the next generation of builders and innovators. Thank you for believing in our mission and helping make Alameda Hacks a reality. And help make Alameda Hacks an incredible experience. We truly appreciate the support and expertise. And finally, we would like to thank all the participants, who we hope have a fun and productive time in the next 10 days of this hackathon. We are always on Discord throughout the hackathon to answer questions.
Thank you very much. Looking forward to have a great moment on this hackathon. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you for coming. We look forward to seeing your final product. Okay, I think that wraps up the opening ceremony. Bye, and we'll see your projects.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, thank you. So here are the challenges. We have the social good challenge to make an impact. We are still deciding on which one of these we're going to participate. There's going to be a machine learning AI challenge that is building a browser also. There's going to be a beginner friendly challenge, which is doing a simple to-do app or game to categorize apps, habits, or goals. And even on the meeting, it said you can do it in Scratch. So that's what I like a lot of this hackathon. It's open for any skill level of coding, etc. By now, we started working because one of the team members wasn't at home, so she didn't have a computer, and the other one overslept. So I had a meeting with one of my team members, and we started planning on where we're going to code, add, etc. And then I started scratching up some ideas I had, and I was making a draft for the specific problematic we're going to face with our innovative tool. all of this was after the first meeting, and then we had like a second meeting. We were three in total in the meeting. We started discussing what was covered in the opening ceremony, and some ideas of each and every member of the team to start working on and making like this project significant for the judges, and like to solve like a real world problem, which in this case will be education and literacy rate in Mexico and the world. And that's why I hear him speaking like a lot of gibberish in Spanish. So now I focalized the challenge we're going to address, and like a user for 13 to 16 years old, which with some problems in his or her school. And we had like a third last meeting for first day, which we discussed about the approach we're going to have for this project, which I designed. So I was like talking about our new problem about literacy rate, and started thinking about the user flow and about the front end, which is going to be programmed with React. Well, so now I did like this sketch for the user interface. So there's going to be like a homepage that says like welcome apprentice, then start. There's going to be two sections like math and English, which math is going to teach you. It's for those people who have like certain struggles during the education system and academic system. So there's going to be like the math section that's going to teach anybody um, how to count until how like to calculate percentages or division. There's going to be like an English section or language section that's going to be like skills to like read and write text. That's what I designed. And then you're going to click on one of these, and it's going to display like these like chapters that are going to have like stories, readings, or even games. So there's going to be very interesting in both math and English. And I was thinking like have some intermediate thing over here, and there's going to be like, because of the thematic that's like wise people and stuff like that, I thought there could be like a magician over here, a sorcerer, that's going to be like the mascot of this app. It doesn't have a name, but this last session was very productive, so I'm looking forward to see what's going to happen at day 2.